Right. So all the alphabets will be the same. Now we got a new state for your ink. So now I'll apply all the transition for all the alphabets for this new state. So here transition are so transition of equivalent BFA is equal to new state, that is transition of Q0, Q1, Q2 on A will be equal to, sorry, transition of NFA. So transition of BFA will be E close of transition of Q0, Q1, Q2 upon A. So this I am going to elaborate transition of BFA to E close of, so I'll write like this, E close of transition of BFA upon Q0 on A union. So Q0 on A I did, next Q1 on A, that is again E close transition of BFA upon Q1 on A union, E close of transition of BFA upon Q2 on A. So now we are going to check with this particular BFA transition. So our transitions ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So it's hopefully little dark I'll take. Okay. E close of, so E close I'll write as it is, E close of transition of NFA Q0 on A. So Q0 on A. So Q0 on A will be Q0 itself union E close of transition of NFA upon Q1 on A. So Q1 on A is null union E close of transition of NFA of Q2 on A. So Q2 on A again it is 5 null. So this will be nullified. Next will be E close of Q0. So E close of Q0. So E closure of Q0 already I found here. So same thing I'll be having here. Hence the state will be Q0, Q1, Q2. This is already existing state. So upon this state A, upon a symbol A on this state will be the Q0, Q1, Q2 itself. Right? This is your state that you found upon the transition on A. Similarly, upon NFA, sorry, DFA equals to transition of Q0, Q1, Q2 upon B will be E close of transition of NFA upon Q0 on B. So you may not have your basis directly, it's required over here. Union ಬರಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Union transition of NFA on Q0, sorry, Q1 on B union E close of transition of NFA on Q2 on B. E close transition of Q0 on B is 5 union E close of Q1 on B is Q1 itself. Next E close union E close Q2 on B is again null, so this will be nullified, and E close of Q1. So E close of Q1 will be here. Q1 in the epsilon upon epsilon, yeah states reachable in the Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2 will be your state. Q1 upon epsilon Q1 alle irutte. So Q1 upon epsilon Q2 hogutte. Hence here I find a state called as Q1 comma Q2. So this will be again a new state. New state. So first new state I have not yet completed with C, but again I am having a one more new state. So I love this. Hope you understood this thing. So my existing states ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ already Q1 ಇದೆ Q1 ಇದೆ Q2 ಇದೆ next ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು Q1 Q2 sorry Q0 Q1 Q2 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅದು Q1 Q2 ಆಗಿದೆ right. So now I am on transition of DFA equals to transition of E close of Q0 Q1 Q2 on C equals to E close of transition of NFA upon Q0 on C union E close transition of NFA Q1 on C union E close transition of NFA Q2 on C. Right? So this will be E close of transition of Q0 to C is 5 union E close transition of Q1 on C again 5 union E close of transition of Q2 on C is Q2. Right? So this will get nullified. Next you will get E close of Q2. So upon Q2 on epsilon wherever it is reachable that will be your states. So upon epsilon I am able to reach only Q2. This is my state. Right? Again this is my new state. This will be my new state. So new state Q2. These are the existing states of NFA. Sorry, epsilon NFA. So these are the states of my equivalent DFA. So upon this state Q0, Q1, Q2, I have applied all the ABC values. So upon this ABC values, I found new different state. So new state and hosta bandidde adu Q1, Q2 ಮತ್ತೆ Q2. Right? So state ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ABC apply ಮಾಡಿ new state ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ variables ನಾನು apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. So that is transition of DFA is equivalent to E close of transition of NFA upon Q1 Q2 on A. Q1 Q2 on A. So this will be E close of transition of NFA upon Q1 on A union transition E close transition of NFA Q2 on A. So E close Q1 on A. Q1 on A is 5 union E close Q2 on A again is a 5 nullified. So null. So null is a dead state. You need not worry about the null. Similarly, E close of transition of NFA Q1 Q2 on B. So Q1 Q2 on B, you will get resultant value will be. This is for this. Directly I'll not write all these things again. So you can elaborate it. The direct solution you will be having is Q1 Q2. So this state is already existing. You need not make it as a new state. Keep it aside. Q1 Q2. Okay. Next. E close of transition of Q1, Q2 upon C. You will get again to elaborate it. I'll not write it again. This will be Q2, right? So I have completed the transition of the new state 2 also. Next, I am having one more state called as Q2. A Q2 yadu anta now check madani. So Q2, I'll write that. Q2, that is transition of PFA on Q2 is equal to E close of transition of NFA Q2 on A. Q2 on A equals to E close of Q2 on A is 5. So this will be 5 transition of BFA Q2 on B. Again, this will result into 5 transition of B Q2 on C will result into Q2. You elaborate these steps here, Q2 itself. So here, all the states what I am finding, I already found it as a new state. Here, one more new state where you can create is 5. In 5 only. 5 and 5 again. So totally equivalent DFA has got my new states as 4 different states. I'll write Q0, Q1, Q2 is one of my state. Next, Q1, Q2, one more state. Q2, one more state, and 5, one more state. And 5 is called as a dead state. Now identify the start state. So start state is that Q0. So Q0 is then again this is my start state. Where is final state? How to identify a final state? So wherever you got a Q2, the final state of NFA, wherever you got a Q2 over this particular thing will be your final state. So Q2 will be there. This is my final state. Q2 will final state will be there. Q2 will be there. So all the 3 states will be your final states. Now, come on. Now I need to have a transition diagram. So transition diagram for all the alphabets. So all the alphabets take TFA. So A, B, C no nine take. So previous page alli now calculate madadaga Q0, Q1, Q2 on A nani ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು Q0, Q1, Q2 on A. I got Q1, Q2, Q2 also. So upon A I am having the same thing. Similarly, Q0, Q1, Q2 on B, I am getting it as a Q1, Q2. So this is upon B. So one more is there. C there. A, B, C, more variables. So A and B get from Q0, Q1, Q2 non state ಬರ್ದೆ. C ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So C ಬರ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು Q2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right? Similarly, Q1, Q2 on A. Q1, Q2 on A, I am going to get that 5. So you will better. I take 5 here. So upon this A. Now Q1, Q2 on B, you are going to get it as Q1, Q2 itself. Next Q1, Q2 on C, you will be having a value called Q2. C. Next Q2 on A, you are having 5. Q2 on A, 5. Q2 on B, again 5. Q2 on C, Q2 itself. C. 5 on ABC, it's 5 itself, it's a dead state. So all these states are in here. Now you need to define all the variables. That is, which is my K set. K will be set of finite states. States are Q1, sorry, Q0, Q1, Q2, comma, Q1, Q2, comma, Q2 and 5 states. Alphabet set A, B, C. Transition into alphabet set to K. Next, starting state, accepting state, all the three, Q1, Q2, 1, Q1, Q2, and Q2. And starting state is Q0, Q1, Q2. So this completes your equivalent conversion from your epsilon NFA to its your DFA, equivalent DFA. This is an NFA. The equivalent DFA is this. Here, this is the procedure where you are going to incorporate a new concept called E-closure. So E-close can be defined like this. Here we are not using the existing states, rather than I am using only my new states. The concept. Clear with this? Okay. Now we move on to our next problem. This problem I will not solve. Similar way, you try to solve. I will discuss the solution in the next part. So first, all of you copy this diagram or NFA, then try to convert this NFA to its equivalent DFA. So this problem is quite larger. Can just go through. So here input symbols of the states I am taking as 0, 1, and 2, not rather than Q0, Q1. A, B, on 3. This is on epsilon 4, 6, 5, 8, 7, epsilon B, epsilon 9. 2 to 9 epsilon bracket. Final state is 9 and 3 to 8 is epsilon. So all the symbols and transition have been diagram. So this is an NFA, epsilon NFA. Try to convert to its equivalent DFA using the same concept. Simple problem I have given. Try to solve this. I will provide the solution in the next class if you have found any problem. If you are getting the right answer, then there is no issue at all. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next class.